Hey guys, MJ here. Today I want to teach you how to throw with the large tulip profile rib. So this is the same as the small tulip profile rib we have here. The small one is 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters. This one is 12 and 14. And it makes the same shape. It's kind of this bulbous shape right here with a little ridge on top. And let me show you how it works. For this size of a shape, I would use something in the 1.5 pound range. If I was doing the big one, and maybe like 1 pound 6 ounces or 1 pound 4 ounces for the smaller of the two. I have these 1.1 pound 4 ounce balls worked up already, so we'll use that, and we'll do probably the smaller one, maybe the big one, but probably the smaller of the two on the large rib. This is a tile spinner. We use cheap bathroom tiles here instead of expensive pottery bats. The cost savings is unbelievable. So first step is you throw it down the middle there, somewhere around the middle, and I want to cone it up first. I'm just kind of squeezing my hands together, forcing that wet clay up through my hands. And this does several things. This gets all the clay particles in alignment and also helps me to center the pottery better, the ball of clay. See that there? Okay. Just for good measure. Okay, collar it in. Now I'm gonna pull that wall up. So I put a little tuft of clay at the bottom there, and then I start pulling up and in, up and in, up and in. A little dry. Collar that in. Do another pass. Okay, that looks like it's about 12 centimeters tall. Might be even 13. We'll see here. It looks like it's just 12. So but that's okay because this is going to go out just a little bit. So it'll come down just a little bit. And go in just a hair and up just a little bit more. Okay. All right, let's see how this does. I'm going to go out here. Now it does make kind of a lot of noise on this. I'm just a little bit short from getting the full bulbous part at the top here, this part right here. Go just a little bit higher. At this stage, I don't like to do the tulip rib, push the tulip ribs too far because they are weaker down here because it kind of comes up and over. So I'm just going to be real gentle with this. Okay. And let's just now, because we didn't have the height, I'm not going to finish it out all the way up to the top with that bulbous part. And you actually have the option, if you want to just throw to this edge, you can if you don't like that bulbous part. And there we go. That's the tulip rib. That's the smallest one on the large rib. This is the largest one on the small rib. You can see the difference here. See the difference here? And both of these are without the bulbous part at top. I'm MJ at Outpost Pottery. I hope you enjoyed it, and we are here to help you learn how to make pottery.